Mahiya naman kayo. Matalinong Pilipinas, what did we honestly get from Marcos Sona? Seryoso, besides failed promises, ano pa nakuha nyo? First, he promised electricity solutions last Sona and this Sona. And now we're the most expensive in Southeast Asia. Oh, how about the economy? Did the people get jobs? We are currently experiencing episodes of stagflation. Sadly, it's when the economy is down and the inflation rate is so high. And yeah, we got the weakest peso in Philippine history. Tapos mapaiyak ka na lang sa speech niya about sa pinsan niya nakakasuhan. Tapos you'll be proud that you got 25 billion out of almost 1 trillion pesos. 25 billion is just around 2% to 3%. We still have 950 plus billion missing due to flood control projects. Mas madami na tayo sessions para sa impeachment ni VP Sara kontra sa flood control projects. Nung una pa lang, sinabi na ni VP Sara sila dalawa talaga ang problema. But nobody listened. Remember when he said he did everything for the Philippines during the fuel crisis? Well, we were the first country in the world to declare oil crisis. This is way back February 2026. The Philippines were number 1. We were worse than Nigeria, Malaysia, and etc. The oil crisis wasn't just about the war, but also about our administration. And yeah, lastly, in his 2026 SONA, he promised 6 million homes. And now, for his SONA 2027, we only still have 500,000 units. Kamusta kaya itong mga bahay na to? Guys, tanggapin yung ayuda, go, it's better sa inyo mapunta. Pero please, wake up. Lahat ng proud, lahat na nag-celebrate, nagapalakpak sa BBM na SONA, it's either they're stupid or they're in on it. I'm sorry, but who would be proud or happy of those achievements? Sa achievements that were barely a fraction of what was expected. Honest take, ayuda is useless. Because the taxes are high, everything is inflated. And the rate of prices going up isn't even enough. I'm sorry my kapwa Filipinos for complaining too much. But the Marcos admin is just too much. Wishing and praying for a better Philippines, a better administration.